Are you anticipating that there'll be more M&A and consolidation? And to your point, inevitably some hospitals just closing down. And what does it mean for healthcare consumers in general, especially for vulnerable populations or rural populations or whatever?
No, this will actually, what would happen is that the places which need, which cannot be done virtually, right, like an operation or delivering a baby or some of those things need to be done in a hospital still because which are basically a face-to-face functions. Apart from that, the organizations which has got the huge reach of telemedicine capacity will probably eat up into the market of the people with the telemedicine who are able to attach to the doctors. In other words, if I have an opportunity to attach myself to hospital A, where I was getting my face-to-face care, now I can attach myself with the same ease to another hospital, hospital B, which is like a large teaching hospital. I would prefer to go to hospital B because even now the distance does not matter. The geography does not matter anymore. In the past, geography, the distance mattered where I needed to go to the nearest place. I don't want to travel 50 miles to go and see a doctor. But now that has changed. So there will be a tremendous reshifting of the healthcare delivery system in this country. You will see the hospitals which are basically doing mostly straightforward medical patients will probably have a very tough time keeping their doors open. But a hospital which has done as some specialist, like orthopedic surgery or a neurosurgery, spine surgery, that cannot be done through telemedicine, though naturally they will be more in demand to do that. So we will probably shift from the primary care will probably may shift mostly to virtual technology, and the specialty care will probably sit with the hospitals. And the hospital need to figure out how can they shed their primary capacity real estate and acquire more real estate on the specialty side.
We hope you enjoyed this podcast. Subscribe to our podcast series at www.thebigunlock.com and write to us at info@thebigunlock.com.